Hello students, so let's try to solve one more problem from IIT JAM 2024, and this is from Special Theory of Relativity. Again, very simple straightforward question, and just on the basis of formula and all this thing. So what is this? There are two frame, one is S and another is S dash, and S dash is moving with respect to S, and it is moving away from with respect to S, so there is not any problem. So what will happen with respect to S dash, there is going to be happen two event, and they event will be simultaneously but at the separate distance with respect to S dash. So what will be the time interval for that event with respect to S, and what will be the distance interval for with respect to S, we have to calculate. So what is given? It is, and yes, this particular S dash is moving with respect to S with velocity v, that is 0.6c. So it is given. So velocity of S dash with respect to S is 0.6c. I can assume this is my S dash, and this S dash is moving with respect to S with velocity 0.6c. So there is not any problem. This is all about inertial frame. So this is my x-axis and this is my x dash. It is also given at t is equal to 0, the origin is going to coincide. So that is the basic hypothesis of this particular inertial frame. So how you are defining the t is equal to 0. And it is given with respect to S dash frame. With respect to S dash frame, the two event is going to happen at a distance. This is distance, and this value is equal to 5 meter. And with respect to S dash, this time interval is 0 because both event is simultaneous in nature. So what will be delta t and delta x with respect to S frame? So we have to just go for Lorentz transformation. So when we are talking about delta x, then delta x is equal to delta x dash plus v delta t dash upon root under 1 minus v square upon c square. Delta t dash is equal to 0, and here we will put delta x dash is equal to 5 meter, and here we have 1 minus 0.6 whole square, and if you will going to calculate it, then this value is equal to something like 6.25 meter. So this value is 6.25 meter, and the option number D is correct for delta x. And similarly, we can calculate delta t, and delta t is nothing but delta t dash plus v delta x dash upon c square root under 1 minus v square c square is given. Delta t dash is equal to 0, v is equal to 0.6 into 5 meter, and this value is 3 into, and this 1c will be cancelled out, so 1c will be there, so 3 into 10 to the power 8, and here this value is equal to 0.8. Once you will calculate this value, that value will comes out to 12.5 nanosecond. So this value is 12.5 nanosecond. So yes, option number A and option number D is the correct option. Only thing is that you have to just read this question properly, use the Lorentz transformation nicely, and do the calculation in a very efficient way. Just this is just very simple numerical. So students, this is so simple question, you have to just prepare a formula and you can easily solve this type of question. Thank you.